Alright, so you made it. This is my contribution to the Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration. You know, there are like a total of 17 of us. So look at the description. Make sure you go see what they have to offer. Not just mine. Check them all out. Right? There's too many to name. But you know what? Like I said, it's in the description. This is what I'm bringing. We got Cornish hens, dill lemon Cornish hens. We have some dill roasted potatoes. Got a little salad. And I also have some remoulade for the potatoes. Actually, you can use it for the salad too. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and happy Friendsgiving. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Alright, so for these Cornish hens, we're going to be using some salt, about a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of pepper. We have 2 pieces of lemon here. We have 2 tablespoons of garlic. We have some dill, rosemary, and some thyme, as well as some olive oil. And of course, the star of the show, the Cornish hens. So let's get them prepped. First thing you want to do is put the rosemary in the inside, in the cavity of both birds. Okay. Now we're going to put the thyme in there. Yeah, let's push it back in there. I know it's not a lot of room, but just push it back in there. Then we're going to follow that up with the lemon. Stuff the lemon in there. It'll fit. Get this lemon piece in there. And when it's cooking, the aromatics will steam through, okay? And just like a turkey, you want to see if you can fold the arms back, right? Fold the wings back. If you can. It's not a necessity, but if you can, why not, right? Get those folded back. If you can't do it, don't worry about it. It's no biggie. Right, I have this on a cookie sheet with a cooling rack on it so the juices can drip down. Okay, so now at this point, we want to add some salt. Add the salt to it, just shake some salt on it. All right. Our pepper, put a little pepper on it. Alright, so now this part is going to get a little hands-on. So you want to rub the garlic on it. Rub it all around. You know. Get some in the cavity if you can. And now the dill. You're going to try to put a little bit of dill in the cavity. A little bit in the cavity. I like to put it on top of the lemon. And then the rest, you'll just spread it around. Don't be shy. Just go ahead and spread it around. The main thing is the inside, because you want the aromatics to flavor it from the inside out. Okay, and now we're going to put this in a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes. So let me put that in the oven and we'll be back. Let me put a little bit of olive oil on this. Let me put some olive oil on it. That'll slow down the burning in case your temperatures are too high. But anyway, right, let's get these Cornish hens. They're almost at the halfway point. But what I want to do is I just want to flip them over, right? I just want to flip them over. Without tearing them, without breaking them, flip them over. Now let's put them back in the oven. Woo! Alright, so these are done. Give them about 10 minutes to rest, and we will be ready to plate up. Alright, so here we go. Got the Cornish hens, the lemon Cornish hens, the lemon dill Cornish hens. We got the garlic herb dill potatoes, the salad, and we have our remoulade, our dill remoulade sauce. This is going to be good. So if you like this, watch my videos from prior to this to see how I made this stuff. Try it for yourself and tell me what you think. Alright, so welcome to this Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration. There's a lot of us. I mean, he told us about 17. Go check them out. And what I have here, I have Cornish hens, have some roasted potatoes, I have my salad, got my remoulade sauce for the potatoes and the chicken. I'm going to try some of the potato with the remoulade sauce. Yep, the tanginess of the remoulade. If you've never had a good remoulade sauce, check my recipe out. You get some of this wing. Look at that. So tender, just comes apart. Some of the skin. If you watched any of my video, you know Bud likes on that. Now the dressing I'm using for the salad, it's a French dressing. I'm a sucker for French dressing. I can't help it. Bacon bits, cheese, croutons, grape tomatoes, 2 different types of lettuce, green leaf and red leaf. You can't really go wrong. Well, something for you. I hope you are doing well today, enjoying this little potluck event. I hope you found some good recipe ideas. Hope you enjoy this fellowship. And there's some people coming after me. You need to check them too. You won't be disappointed. I cut my Cornish hen in half, even though I made 2. Mama Shrashira took half of it. And half my potatoes. She knows she's wrong with that. These potatoes are phenomenal. Try this recipe out too. Get that one as well. I'd like to take a minute to give a shout out and thanks to BigBelly Bob for putting all this together for us. Producing it, if you will. Did a good job, brother. You got, 17 strangers to get in with the get in. That's nice. Especially these, day and time, where people may not get to meet up with family and such. We did a virtual potluck. Well, we may not be related, but guess what? We're family, brother. So thank you again. I'm gonna get this leg. See how tender it is? It just falls right apart. It was cooked to 180. The breast cooked to 165 because of the seasonings and rub I put on it. Skin's nice and crisp. No complaint. So Mama Shrashira ate her Cornish hen and half of mine. Yeah, got fired away so I can get to this breast. And I'm gonna cut me a slice of breast off. I really want the skin, to be honest with you. I want the skin. That is good groceries, you understand? good groceries. So I hope your holiday season's going well. Enjoy the time that you have with your family. In the holidays, that's what it's about. Being around family and friends, right? Living in the moment. Even when things are bad or it's tight, you can take a day or two and just forget about all of it. And just live in the moment. And if you don't do that, or you've never done that, I recommend that you live in the moment, take advantage of the happiness that's going to come with it. You know, and even if you're by yourself, you know, throw some holiday classics on the TV, cook up a nice dish, and enjoy yourself. Right? Forget about everything else. So again, yeah, I can't get enough of this breast, I'm sorry. I want this crispy skin, I know that. And remoulade sauce. Enjoy this event, this Friendsgiving Potluck collaboration, this special YouTube event that we are all bringing to you. So let's kick back, screw your wig on tight, and enjoy the video. Now it's time to prepare for our next host. Enjoy the videos, enjoy your holiday, don't let nothing get on your skin. Make sure you check out all the other videos, and the links are in the description box, right? So make sure, you know, you go through and look at them. You know, since the links are in the description box, if it's after the event, you know, you can pick and choose. But until then, just follow through it. You know, we got RealGirl FoodWorld, right? We got The Bracken Family. We got Wy-Wy-Wy-Not. We got Dez and Dee, Dee Cee Mukbang, Living Life with Lisa, Soulful Eats, Angel's Army, Nobody Rodney and Jonelle, The Masked Vegan and Vegan Kitty, The Mckenzie Momements, BigBelly Bob, who brought all this together, Xtina Grubz, We Are the Browns, and Hoosier Daddy. Make sure you check them all out. Don't miss one. We all have something to offer. This is Shrashira, and I'm out. All right, now that it's over, please make sure you go down to the description, look at who's next, look at the other people that contributed to this Friendsgiving, the Potluck collaboration. Go check them out. I know you won't be disappointed. The food's gonna look delicious. Enjoy yourself.